These are the OTIS Gen 2 elevators here at the Gold One garage. Gonna go to the roof.
There's no air in here.
Let's look out the window. And we were here for the Taylor Swift concert.
There's no air in this
OTIS Gen 2.
elevator. Oh, that's us. I need the key out of this.
Ooh, it's the Gen 2.
Third floor, that's us.
Wow.
I love that voice.
It's almost like Siri, huh?
This is the OTIS Gen 2. Let's watch out the window. And we're gonna get a view of, we're gonna take 2 rides on this.
6.
Here you are at 6, go down to the lobby. We're gonna come back and get a view.
Going down.
We're gonna come back up and get a view. Let's look out the window going down. Hopefully we don't stop. We will, other than the lobby.
Let me get 2 little fellas.
No, no, no.
Lobby.
Nice.
People are gonna get in, calm down and back up. Back up. Back
Going up.
We're going back up.
Going
Okay,
up.
sorry.
All right. Which floor you go? Gonna go to the roof?
Yes, sir. Let's go to the roof.
We're gonna go back up and get a view.
Were you at the Taylor Swift concert?
Yes.
Did you like it?
Yes.
This is a good one, right?
Yeah.
Puts on a good
What?
show, yeah.
How did you enjoy the Taylor Swift concert?
We stuck?
Oh, we're going now.
It just
Here we
takes some
go.
time.
Oh, the Jared had a delay.
Lots of traffic, I guess.
Lots of traffic.
So cold in here.
This is the OTIS Gen 2.
4. Floor.
Love that voice.
Going up.
Relevel.
Going up. We're going to 5.
Look out the window.
Are you taking pictures?
Oh,
Video.
oh, I'm an elevator photographer.
You're an elevator photographer.
Ah.
Yes.
How do you get that job?
That is very cool.
Have a good night.
You too.
Thank you.
These are OTIS Gen 2. Door closed button works. We like that.
Uh-huh.
Now we're gonna have to get a view.
6. Floor.
Here we are at the roof. Now we'll get off and get a view. Now we will get a view. Let's get a view. There's the high place. There's the Highmark Tower where it got busted. There's the U.S. Steel Tower. There's the Post Gazette building.
That's a heck of a nice little view of the city with some lighting behind it. Huh?
There's the Copper Tower. And there's the Federated Center. Now I'll go back down.
Slow down, slow.
We're on the roof.
And we're gonna go out and wait with the camera, okay?
Now we're gonna go back down
And then we're done.
to the lobby.
Robbie.
Let's get a cab view.
Hello.
Really nice elevators. They're your fixtures, Series 7 Vandal Resistant, and your EA compliant phone. And we'll watch out the window one more time.
It's all stainless steel, easy to clean. Tile,
I love the lights on these.
plastic tile floor, linoleum maybe.
I'm gonna stop my camera. Once it says going up, I'm gonna stop the camera.
Let's go.